What's up guys? In today's video we're gonna wrap the rear quarter panel, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to wrap the quarter panel for a Supra. Let's do it! Okay guys, this is part 5 of the full wrap. We're almost there. We already did the hood, fenders, doors, side skirts, and the door handles. In this video we're gonna do the rear quarter panel. That is this part over here, this one, with this small piece in here. Okay, so let's start with the installation. I'm gonna remove this cap for the gas cover. Okay, and we're just gonna put tape and cut it like this. Okay, I have to remove this piece. Okay, so let's start with the installation. To remove this door, the gas cap cover, it has a clip in here, so with the screwdriver just push it and it will come out. Okay, now to remove this trim from here, you have to lift this one and then slide this forward to the front, and then it will pop out. Let me show you. Okay, let's start with the quarter panel. Remember that the quarter panel has to be very clean before you start the installation. Right here I'm putting some extra masking tape because I don't want the wrap vinyl to stick there, and clean the edges and areas that you think that has dust. Clean those very good. Let's start by placing the vinyl sheet on top of the quarter panel. Remove the clear protection and make sure it's covering the whole quarter panel. And let's start by the top pillar. Okay, I always like to start in this area because it's thinner and it's easier to conform to the curve of the part. Okay, and in here, this is the tricky part. Okay, what you have to do is fit the material into this deep curve of the Supra by stretching the material, and with the squeegee fit the material to this deep curve. And then stretch, use the squeegee, fit the material to the curve. I did a relief cut here. Pull with the glove, push the material to the crease and pull and remove the wrinkles, as you can see here. But start from the top to the middle and then to the bottom. Don't do the bottom first. Okay, so right here, pull the material, use the heat gun, stretch it. With the glove, slide on the curve, and you can get it straight. Remove the wrinkles, pull the material like that. Yes. Then first on the top, remove the wrinkles with the heat gun, pull the material, and the glove is a lot of help. Remember to use a glove on this part especially. And then pull it. Remove the wrinkles on all there, and like this I'm removing the wrinkles first and then using the glove and the squeegee and the heat gun, of course. Yes, push the material. Remember to start from the top to the bottom, from the top to the bottom. That's very important. I'm removing all the wrinkles here. And after you get all the wrinkles, you can cut the excess vinyl. But first, make sure that there is no wrinkle and there is no air on the quarter panel, like here. Okay. And after that, you can cut the excess vinyl. Leave extra. Remember, don't cut on the right of the edge. Leave a little bit extra. Even you can see that it's almost at the edge. No, I'm leaving like 1/8 of an inch extra to tuck under. And on the trunk, on the side of the trunk, in here I'm leaving like an inch or more than an inch, because over there I don't want to cut it with the blade and scratch the paint, so I'm just leaving an inch to tuck on the side. In here just leave extra and tuck it under. In here I'm gonna do a cut to make a seam on that area, okay? But in here, remember, on the top leave like an inch or more than an inch, because I don't wanna cut on top of the paint. And here I'm cutting on the rubber part, that's why I put masking tape on there. And here on the gas cap, I like to push it first, use the heat gun, be careful because it's a gas cap, and I'm gonna cut it right on the edge in here because my car is black. But if you have a white car, leave 1/8 of an inch extra and you can tuck it under the plastic. Here, remember, I have a knifeless tape already on the edge, so I'm cutting the excess vinyl, pushing the material right to the knifeless tape, and after that I can cut it and you have a nice and clean cut. Here I'm cutting a little bit, but I'm tucking that under the plastic. And then in here, cut the excess vinyl and the extra material, tuck it under this pillar piece. Okay, here I'm pushing the material, but even that you see it that is close, I have extra material, okay, to tuck under the rubber piece for the door trim. Okay, here on the bottom part I did cut it exactly on the edge because my car is black, but remember, if you have a white car, leave extra, like an 1/8 of an inch. You don't need to leave a lot, but here I'm using a mini squeegee. I'm gonna put the link for this product on the description of the video, but you need two. I couldn't find the second one. I have two of these, like the one I have on my right hand, the red one. You need one to lift the rubber trim, and the second one to push the material under the trim. Yes, and you can see it, beautiful. It looks amazing. Okay, so we're done with the rear quarter panel. But let me show you the details so you can see it. Look at this. I tuck it under this plastic. See, over here. Still have bubble here. Okay. Look at the corners. And in here, I tuck it under this rubber piece. In here is a little bit hard, so I cut it like that. Let me show you inside here. I use knifeless tape to cut the line in here. Look at this. So I have to remove that wrinkle and tuck it under this one. And here, look at this. I got a little bit of dust under the wrap, but man, it's super hard because this material is very hard, and every time you lift the material, the dust can go under the wrap, but it's alright. But here you can see I have a wrinkle there. How it is in here. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at this. I have to tuck that. Okay. I still have to do a post heat to all the edges. But as you can see it, let me show you inside here. So it looks amazing. We're almost done. So now the only thing left are the bumpers and the trunk. Okay? If you have a question, put in the comments and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Look at that. Okay guys, that's how you can wrap the rear quarter panel for the Supra, okay? Most of the cars are the same, but this one is a little bit harder because of the deep curve for the Supra, okay? But let me know what you guys think on the comments. All the products, tools, material that I used today, The links are gonna be on the description of the video down below. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember, we're almost done for the full wrap. Okay, we still need to do the rear bumper and the front bumper, and that's it. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video for the full wrap. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video. That helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.